Pakistan is full of beautiful tourist places or beautiful natural sceneries which attracts visitors and tourists with fascinating loveliness. Ziyarat Valley is also counted among these beautiful tourist places. Ziyarat Valley has a huge significance due to the presence of prehistorical treasure of juniper forest. It is located about 122 km from the capital city of Balochistan, Quetta. Ziyarat Valley is among the best tourist places in the world, very popular picnic point, and it is 8,200 feet above from sea level. The founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was suggested to spend the last days of his life in this place, stayed here. This is why the valley is also known as the last residency of the founder of Pakistan. This valley was selected for Muhammad Ali Jinnah because the climate of Ziyarat Valley is very pleasing, atmosphere is healthy and favorable to provide ease to the soul. Particularly when people feel stressed, they come to Ziyarat Valley to get some fresh air and enjoy the beauty of nature. The residency of Jinnah is still well maintained. Tourists can experience the essence of Jinnah's living style. Quaid's bedroom, dining room, the sehen, all the old furniture is placed in a way that it feels like Jinnah is still living somewhere in his residency. For this incentive, Ziyarat possesses a national monumental status in Pakistan. The hill of Ziyarat Valley is surrounded by the number of ancient juniper trees. These juniper trees of Ziyarat called the treasures of Ziyarat because some of the trees of junipers are 5,000 to 7,000 years old and still alive. In the snowy season of winter, the trees of juniper look beautiful. Substance ephedrine has huge medical importance and it is extracted from the herb of the Ephedra sinica found in Ziyarat. This substance specially used in the syrups of the cough. The refreshing greenery, the flowing streams and the waterfalls can take your heart away and make you feel in heaven. The orchards of cherries and apples are very sweet and tasteful. A very interesting fact is that the visitors and tourists are free to eat these delicious fruits by plucking directly from the trees. The hotels and dhabas serve tourists all kinds of desi dishes and drinks. The saji is a native dish of Ziyarat Valley and famous among the tourists. The Ziyarat handicrafts, shawls and other decoration pieces are very famous, which are handmade by the hard-working women of Ziyarat. Thus, it makes this place among the best tourist places in the world. Ziyarat's snowfall is famous all over Pakistan. In December and January, people from all over the country and from other countries as well come to enjoy that rare scenes of snowfall. The law and order situation in Ziyarat is excellent for sustainable tourism. Tourists feel free to explore Ziyarat and its beauty. Ziyarat considered being the cold area. In winter, it can cross the feeling of Moscow's coldness, but in summer, its weather becomes moderate and pleasant. If you are a tourist and looking for a better tourist attractions, a good and healthy environment to relax your mind and soul, then destination Ziyarat is for you. In 1883, the British government has selected Ziyarat as a health resort. At that time, it was an aloof area, only a limited number of mud houses were present. World Tourism Organizations also recommend the Ziyarat Valley as a place of a health resort. The government of Pakistan, in the leadership of Prime Minister Imran Khan, is working hard to enhance tourism in the country. Ziyarat Valley is also considered to be the most attractive tourist spot. As this place is flourished, it is one of the best places to visit in the world.